I am so excited for the recipe today. So today I am making a Korean favorite, and that is spicy, cheesy ramen. And usually it is a dish for one that you'd probably have late at night, but I have turned it into a massive casserole that is fitted with all of the trimmings. We're talking olives, corn, spicy Korean sauce, and of course a massive amount of cheese right up top. And a very special shout out today to Bute Island Foods for sponsoring this video. They have been making vegan cheeses for over 30 years and have a massive line of delicious vegan cheeses. So I can't wait to show you guys some recipes using those. So I started off by making a spicy Korean sauce. Usually in Korea you will use the sauce that's in the packets, but sometimes they'll have like different meats in them. So recipe is going to be down below, but I have some Korean chili paste, some rice syrup, some chili powder, rice vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce, as well as some garlic powder. I'm not sure if I showed that yet, but it is a massive amount of sauce, but we have a lot of ramen coming up. So just mix that together, put it to the side, and then we're gonna get to cooking our ramen noodles. So with this dish, you want to be using the thicker style Korean ramen noodles. And because we're gonna cook it for a little bit more later, you do not want to overcook these noodles. I think the package says 4 to 5 minutes, but I'm gonna say 1. Once it starts coming apart, then you just want to strain it out and then rinse it under cold water because mushy noodles are bad noodles. I found some amazing vegan bacon, and you want 6 strips of that, but if you wanted to use mushrooms or something, you just want something salty, like a nice salty bite. So marinate whatever you're gonna put ahead of time, and then I'm gonna just crisp these up before adding in a can of corn along with a half a cup of olives. So now I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna add in my ramen noodles, my spicy sauce, and then just mix that all together. That little bit was for my ASMR fans. And after you finish mixing it together, it is time for the cheese. So I'm putting in 1 full packet of this vegan mozzarella. I want the cheese nice and thick up top. And you just want to be putting this under a broiler for 5 to 10 minutes. I'd say the cheese takes a little longer to brown for this one, but once it is all melted, it is really good to go. cheese, that looks so good. So for any of my Korean fans, you know that we top off dishes with nori seaweed, and this one has some nori seaweed in it, along with some roasted sesame seeds. And I'm just putting a little parsley on for color, but serve this warm. Oh my gosh, is this so good. Oh, come on. That beats normal mac and cheese any day. You get the spiciness and the tanginess from the noodles, and then all of the savory bits from your filling, and then of course that nice creamy cheesy bit up top. So it is indulgent, but it hits all of your flavor buds. Anyways, y'all, that's it for me. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe because I most certainly did. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again real soon, okay? Bye!